look at that beauty right there. Oof. So we are back, guys. This is the next day. So we dropped it off last night. So I'm back to clean it, give it a nice detail and stuff. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. This is pretty much what all of this looks like. I know it's got like some rips and tears, but it's not that big of a problem to me. That's, of course, you know, it's got shit right here. And okay, there we go. Oof. Look at this dirty piece of shit. This whole panel is missing. But you got two speakers on the what is it, like the door, the trunk door. You pretty much got two speakers on that. You got, I think, another speaker over there. You have a big speaker over there. I think this door might have a speaker. If it doesn't, I'll probably install one. And then there's two speakers on the dash. So that's also cool. But yeah, I mean, this is really fucking cool. So you have like jack stuff right here. You can put like hide more oh, for some reason this has a windshield fluid washer over here. It's over here, it's not up front. This is for this, because this one has a windshield wiper in the back as well, so that's for that. I think the supports work, that's good. But yeah, I mean, I know it's a piece of shit, but it's my piece of shit now. Okay guys, so I was having trouble taking this off is because this right here tensions this to the floor. Of course, these have hooks that go in like this. So if you want to remove this seat, all you do is you loosen this all the way. So you loosen this all the way like that, and then you have this. You take the spring off, you take this, and then so this is, of course, it's not going to go anymore. So what you do is you just pull this out like that. This should come off like this. As you can see, so there's like a hook. This hooks on like that, and then this just comes off. So yeah, that's how you take off a 95 Aerostar second row seat. This I still got to figure out how to take this one because this isn't the same. Oh, it is actually. Yeah, you see, so you just gotta loosen this, and this unhooks it, and then this will just pop out. So there you go. the metal is actually not that bad, I'll just keep it metal. Like I'll just keep it like that, because I actually like the color. So we will have to figure that out. I don't know if I could take this out, but we'll have to see. If I can take those out, I'll try to see if I can save, or maybe I'll just like cut it from right here and just keep this piece. Because you see, I like this shit. Like I like shit. It's got this. I got cigarettes. Oh, this is, what is this? Seek up memory. Oh, oh, you can control the volumes and stuff here. That's actually pretty cool. I did not know that. So you have 2 speakers over there. I think the doors have speakers. If not, I might install some. There's a speaker over here. This door doesn't have one. I'll install one over here. Oh, so you can lock and unlock. That's cool. I'll just install like a nice speaker right here. There's a speaker area right here, and then there's 2 speakers. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 speakers. I'll add another 2, and I'll add 1 more, and then subwoofers. What? So yeah, I'm gonna take all this. Look at this. Gonna take out all those disgusting pieces. Gonna take all this out, take all this. This is a whole ass fucking board, literally. Jesus. What the fuck is this? Bro, look at this, look. Look. I'm literally just holding it. Brother, look at all this shit. This is gross. This is grossy. This is disgusting. But yeah. Holy shit. Bro, look at this. This thing is fucking cracked. This is... No, I don't think this is steel. Oh, wait. No, wait. This isn't steel. Okay, I thought this was the metal. I was about to lose my shit. I was about to be like, the frame's gone. But it's not. It's not. It's just like... It's like a harder plastic piece. It's like a resin. And that's what cracked. But yeah. I don't know, for some reason, to me, I don't know if you guys can see it. Like, it's going like that. Like, it goes straight like this. And then it goes... I don't know if you guys can see that, but... I don't know, bro. I'm just finding shit in this car. I took off the whole carpet and then just the bottom of it is wet. It's disgusting, bro. You want to see? Look what I found. There's an actual board in there. Yeah, look. No. Maybe. Can I? Okay, guys. So I was able to take this off. My buddy lent me this. Hopefully it doesn't fucking fall on me, but let's see. Woo. Oh yeah. Am I missing something? Alright guys, so I took off the last seatbelt. Let's go ahead and take this bitch out. And there you guys have it. Ooh, I'm gonna try to see if I can take that off right there. It's broken, so we might as well take it off. How about... No, I'll leave that to the professionals. Ooh, and these are the windows. If you ever want to replace them or anything like that, that's pretty fucking cool. That actually is pretty cool. So, yeah. And then I'm going to take that last piece off real quick. Wherever that my screwdriver went. The fuck is this? Is that paint? Bruh, this is kind of funny. Okay, I'm gonna remove this. God damn, it's long as fuck. Oh, come on, bro. Jesus. It still works. It's good. Oh, wow. This whole time I've been turning this. Fire that shit off. Okay, it's just water. And there you guys have it. All this is cleaned.